Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to use Notion to manage client feedbacks in 2025 so you can collect, organize, and act on insights without losing on track. The easiest way is to start with a client feedback template or build a simple database, set up columns for client name, feedback, date, status, and follow-up. This gives you one place to store all responses, whether they come from calls, emails, or surveys. Next, create tags for categories like product, service, support, or pricing. This helps you spot patterns and prioritize improvement. You can even link feedbacks items directly to related projects or tasks in Notion so action happens faster. If you want to automate connect forms like Typeform or Google Forms in Notion using Zapier or Make, that way client feedback flows straight into your database without manual copy-paste. Finally, review the database often using board or timeline view to track progress on resolving issues. This keeps your team accountable and shows client their input actually matters. With Notion managing feedback, you will turn customer voices into clear action, steps that improve your business. And that's it. Thanks everyone for watching.